How to fix error code status breakpoint in Google Chrome. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. First of all, disable hardware acceleration. For this, click on three dots, select settings, click on system. Here is use graphics acceleration when available. Turn off this setting. After turning off, you will have to relaunch the browser. Click on relaunch and then check if the issue is fixed. The second method you can try is update the Google Chrome browser. This is an important method that can help you fix the issue. For this, click on three dots, scroll down, hover over help and click on about Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install it. After a new update is installed, you will find relaunch button here. Click on relaunch. Rename the Chrome exe file. For this, open File Explorer. Go to C drive. Open the Program Files folder. Open Google Chrome, go to application and rename this file. Right click, select show more options and select rename. Change the name as per your choice, such as Chrome back. Click anywhere. Name is changed. Now check if the browser works and the error is fixed. The next method is run the task in the incognito mode. Click on three dots, click on new incognito window and open the page here which is showing the error. If the page loads perfectly, it means extensions are culprit. You can disable extensions. Click on three dots, select extensions, manage extensions, turn off all the extensions here and then check if the browser works smoothly. You can delete browsing data, cookies and cache to check if the issue is fixed. For this, click on three dots, select delete browsing data, select here all time, make sure that all the options are selected and click on delete data. After deleting the data, try to run the web page which were creating the problem. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.